go to your toolbox and select a picture box and drag it to, yes, make it large enough. Okay, so there's a picture box. Stephen drag from the toolbox. Okay, then Stephen, you will see the arrow key. Okay, click on that, click on arrow key, and you choose image. Choose image. Then we're going, it's there, but we're going to pretend it's not there. So import, and we're going to select country charm. He already did it, so cancel it. You already, all right, because you already have country charm in right now, so you select country charm. All right, the picture is very big. First you click OK. The picture is very big, doesn't fit. We have to go to the size mode. Click the down arrow. Click the down arrow here and select stretch mode. All right, so that is the way you have the picture. Do you understand?